Good morning, friends. Hope everybody's great today. I woke up to snow on the ground, but at least the sun is shining, so it looks pretty outside. So I thought we'd do a quick little bit with wordplay today. And I know we've done some of this when we were in school together, unscrambling sentences. And I know how awesome you guys are at this. All right, friends? So let's read through the words that we have for our first scrambled up sentence, all right? We have the word runs, dog, fast, my. Do you remember the two tips we talked about that would help us solve these sentences? If you remember, go ahead and say out loud what the two tips were. Did you remember that we want to look for the word that starts with the uppercase or capital letter because that means that's the beginning of our sentence? Did you also remember that we want to look for the word that has the period at the end because we know that that's going to be our last word? All right, so let's see if we can figure out which one comes first. Let's look for the uppercase. Do you see it? Go ahead and say the word. Did you get my? So we're going to unscramble. So my is going to go first. Do you remember to look for the period for the last word? Which one is the last word? Fast. Were you right? Okay. Fast. All right, that gives us two words left. We have the word runs and dog. See if you can figure out which one comes next. Go ahead and say it out loud. My blank, blank, fast. What did you figure out? Did you get dog? My dog. And the next word is runs. So let's read through that one together. My dog runs fast. Excellent. Good job. All right, let's try the next one. Here we go. Teach loves Mrs. Hess, kids, and two. So remember to use those two strategies, uppercase in the beginning, period at the end. Which one's going to come first? What did you get? Did you get Mrs. Hess? I hope so. All right, so we have Mrs. Hess. Now let me ask you another question. I noticed that there's another uppercase letter here, even though that word is not the first one in my sentence. Why did that happen? Why is that? Can you tell me? Go ahead, tell me. Did you say that's because that's the name of a person? And whenever we have someone's name, we have to make sure it starts with an uppercase letter. Good for you. All right, which one's going to come last? Go ahead, tell me the word. Did you say loves? I bet you didn't. Did you say kids? Good job. All right. Kids. All right, so we have teach, loves, and two. So what would make sense after Mrs. Hess? Mrs. Hess, blank. What did you think it would be? Did you say loves? If you did, you were right. Mrs. Hess loves. We have two words left, teach and two. Which one do you think comes next? Did you say two? Good job. Mrs. Hess loves two. And our last word, teach. Okay. So read it through with me. I'll point, you help me read. Here we go. Mrs. Hess loves to teach kids. And that's a fact sentence because I do. And I miss all of you a lot. So I hope you have a wonderful day. We're going to try out some more wordplay another day later. All right? See you for now.